How to hide or unhide Google Chat Conversation. Hey guys, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. Firstly, launch a Google Chat application in your mobile device. Right over here, for an example, this is the conversation that I wish to hide. All you need to do is basically press and hold on the conversation, then click on Hide Conversation. After that, you will see that the conversation has been hidden. Now to unhide it, at the top in the search bar, you need to go ahead and search for the email address of the person. Then you will see the interface of the conversation. Select on the username of the person. From all of this option, at the bottom you will see Unhide Conversation. Click on it. With a simple click, now the conversation will be unhid and it will be visible in the chat feed as well. Isn't it quick and simple? If you face any of the difficulty regarding this process, press and hold on to the application and head to App Info. Tap on the four-stop button and OK. Head to Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache. This will remove any of the bug or the glitch issue that might be causing the problem. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.